What's up you guys, Rich here, yes, bringing you yet another video, and in this video we're going to have a look at a rental property west of Ajijic. At the moment I'm sat having a coffee actually in this great little bakery. Can you see that behind me? Great little bakery here west of Ajijic. Really good coffee. I have to say the quiche here is exceptional. I mean, we're in Mexico. We've got a French bakery in Mexico. Who would have guessed? Anyway, guys, let's focus on the video today. So we're going to go and check out this rental property very close to the organic market every single Tuesday here west of Ajijic. And you've kind of got everything in this direction. You know, you've got just here, just round the corner from here, you have a fishmonger's, you have a supermarket with everything you kind of need. You have a butcher's. Here you have a second-hand store that's a shop run by my friend Maggie. And I mean, just over the road here, you have a brewery that brews. I mean, the back of here, they brew their own artisanal beer, which is, I have to say, is exceptional. They've got like I think it's about 8 or 9 different types of beer that they brew here. Food's also good here in the Corazon del Malta. I really like west of Ajijic. You know, you've got everything you really need. I'll put all the details down below of the condominium and of the house. And if you want to have more information about it, if you want to come and see it, just email me down below and I can connect you with my friend who is the rental manager. By the way, guys, if you're new to the page, consider subscribing, hit that notification button and give it a thumbs up. I upload videos every week all about living here in Mexico, showing you real estate. Recently, I've been showing you more rental properties because a few of you have been asking for it. So without further ado, let's go check out the rental, shall we? So welcome to La Canacinta, Villas La Canacinta. The rental property is just here on your right hand side as you come into this private condominium of 10 lots. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 level, really nice cute garden at the back. It's got an open plan. You have space here for 1 car. Maybe 2 cars actually. Actually, I'm thinking there's probably space for 2 cars here. If not, you have plenty of space here on the road if you were in need to park a car. This house is being rented for $900 per month, and that includes your water, your gardener, the common area fees, the HOA fees. You pay for your electricity, your gas, your propane, and your internet service. I really like this house, it's really cute. I wish it was for sale. I'd help the person sell it because I actually really like it. So let's take you into the left-hand side. So as we come through the door, we're going to go into the master bedroom. The house comes fully furnished. You even have plates, knife and forks. I mean, basically, all you need to do here is bring your toothbrush, guys, and your clothes and move straight in. So a really nice sized master bedroom with a double bed. Nice Mexican style tiling here. I love these French shutters. I'll leave all the information down below of this property. I'm always curious what you find in these little nooks and crannies. Oh, okay, so we just got a bit of a cupboard thing going. Yeah, we've got a bit of storage space. Let's go and check out the rest of the house, shall we? Really nice Boveda ceiling up here, if I can show you that, guys. It's really nice. Brings plenty of light in. The house is south facing, so the front door is in the north, so it feels a little cooler this side. So here we go into the second bedroom, which is being used as an office. I'm going to take you into the main living area now. Nice chandelier hovering over the dining table. Nice sized room. with the fireplace just here to my right hand side. You've got a little breakfast table area here, so you could put some benches there if you wish. All the furniture is part of the rental property. Everything from the microwave to the coffee maker to the blender, I mean everything. And as you can see here, guys, what I mean is it's all completely ready to move in. You have everything. Everything that you need to be comfortable here. Just to give you a different angle of the main living area from the kitchen. Laundry area. If you're interested with this property, I'll leave my email down below, contact me, and I will set you up an appointment with the property manager to come show you the property. It's a really cute little terrace. Let's go and check out the clubhouse, shall we? Look at the views from the clubhouse. So there we have it, guys. Thank you so much for coming along and coming to check out this rental property today. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification button, and I will see you in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.